That one that quick, already cured good. They're already cured, just that short time. Oh, that's amazing. Every blessing, the way beyond we can imagine, if we can forgive. Yeah, he will bring everything back to you.
It's not hard. I mean, it really ain't hard, but people, they can't do it.
Sometimes God uses that to work with us. When we line up, everything good, everything will line up.
Right.
That epoxy, 5 minutes to cure epoxy, that's just so quick.
Bondo, not a
Bondo, yeah. Yeah, when we're ready, God may already line up for 10s, 20s, 30s. Good hands for you.
There ain't nobody out there. A few left.
Well, you know, you may be the one of the biggest blessing for me. You are. You give me a story. You give me a story. You give me a witness. You give me a story because amazing thing will happen on you. Amazing story will happen on for your life. That's how God works. Because we didn't see it right yet. Because not the end yet.
Hey!
That's so weird.
It's weird.
That's crazy.
It can be.
Talking to her. about you last night.
Yeah, he just talking about you last night.
I even don't know. I'm coming here until the middle of the morning
That's crazy.
and until the lunchtime. I'm not.
Forget how much power our words have and saying them out loud.
Yeah.